Keto applesauce. I know apples aren't keto, but chayote is. That's only 4 net carbs. Keto applesauce. And you're probably thinking, well, apples aren't keto, but I have a workaround for this. This is called a chayote, and it's about 4 net carbs. I've been working on this and fine-tuning my applesauce recipe for a couple of years now. And the directions for my applesauce, keto applesauce, is below in the comments section. So I've got my 1990s Ultimate Chopper. If you can ever find one, get one. And for the chayote, I peeled it, and there's a little seed in the inside, almost like an apple core or a plum seed. So you have to be careful. So you peel it, and you put that, throw out the seed, and I cut them into small little pieces. It's got the crunch. It's just like an apple. It's kind of a fruit, but it's classified as a vegetable. So my recipe is just for 1 chayote per batch, but you can double it if you've got something larger to process it in. And I've got a 1/2 cup of water. I'll put the lid on. I'm going to puree this up into the consistency of a applesauce. There you go, I like that. So I'm going to take this, pour it into a pot. Looks like applesauce already. Okay, next step. I'm turning on my induction burner, and I'm bringing it up to a nice high boil. And I've got some cinnamon. And you can adjust this to however you like it, but fine-tuning this over the last couple of years, I like the ratio that I have now. So I've got some ground cinnamon. This is good Saigon cinnamon, and I'm throwing a stick in too. And I've got 2 tablespoons of Swerve brown, in that goes. And I'm using extracts. That's how I'm making it taste like applesauce. And these extracts I've had for years now. So 5 years keto. I bought these when we first started, just as flavorings. They're just extracts. Got peach and maple. So 4 to 5 drops is what I do. Adjust to what you like, but more is not always better. Okay, we're just going to mix all that in. And it's as simple as, with the ingredients that I have in there, all I want to do is just keep on stirring it, evaporating it to the right consistency, or the consistency that you like. I don't like my applesauce too runny, too sweet, too much cinnamon. That's pretty runny right now. So I'll bring that up to a boil. And for me, it takes about 10 minutes. And I love to serve this applesauce with my crispy fried pork chops. It's really good. Or a pork crown roast. There you go. That took about 10 minutes. I've got a nice clean 250 ml jar and a canning funnel. I've got some lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice. I always put it into a little bottle like that. It makes it really easy. I'm just going to put just a teaspoon. I'll stir that in there. I'm going to pack the cinnamon stick into the jar too. 1 chayote makes just a little shy of 250 mils. I don't need to taste this because I know what it tastes like after making it several times. Wipe off the lid, put on a fresh cap. I'll let that sit out on the counter for a couple hours, and then I'll store it in the fridge. And again, that's really low carb. That whole jar is only 4 net carbs. That's my keto applesauce. Thanks for watching.